Alright, hey guys, just picked up a self-propelled lawnmower here. I got it for free. Didn't really have high expectations for it, but when I got it home, held the the handle down, I guess the choke really, or not the choke, the hold the run handle, and pulled it. It started first start. But then I noticed when I pulled the handle to make it go forward, make the tires turn, it wasn't moving at all. And I've been told that that's kind of a common issue with these self-propelled push mowers. So I took the plastic shrouding off. It's just several 3/8 bolts or 10mm if it's a newer Chinese looking one. But what happens is I cleaned it out a lot. There was a lot of grass underneath the plastic shroud. So I vacuumed most of that up. And what happens is the grass gets in here and starts to rust away the cable. So when you pull the handle, the cable's not actually moving. So it's not engaging or disengaging the drive pulley. See if I spin the tire right now, it's engaged. And come on. If you pull it forward like that, then notice the tires spin and the pulley does not disengage. Forward, engaged. So what I did, a cheap poor man's fix, is spray a crap ton of WD-40 in this opening and the one up the top. So that way, you just kind of work it back and forth until you free up whatever gunk was in there. And once you do that, as long as all your drive gears and all that are still good, you should have a working self-propelled lawnmower again. I figured I'd just make this a quick video just to show anyone who has maybe a free one like I just got and possibly fix it. Hope this helps someone. Goodbye.